Hello. I'm filming myself right now. I feel a little bit like an idiot talking to a camera, but my friends aren't with me. So today's Quattro Minuti con Casanova is a little new style. I am here in the Campiello San Rocco. The Campo San Rocco is just that way with the church and the Scuola di San Rocco that has the beautiful Tintoretto paintings, and then the Frati church is just there, so that might help you orient to where I am right now. Casanova writes about this place because he actually knew a prostitute who lived here. And here's the story I'll tell you. So, you know, Casanova was having an affair with a nun on the island of Murano, and he would meet her clandestinely. He wrote about her quite a bit, but only named her as MM. So at one point, Casanova was talking with some friends of his, and this friend, it was a doctor named Righelini. Righelini said, you know, you can have any nun in this whole city if you know the right people and you can pay for it. And Casanova said, no way, I don't believe you. And this guy said, oh, Mother MM, kind of referring to Marina Morosini. Righelini said she can be had by anyone. In fact, my friend, the English resident Murray, has slept with her. Casanova was aghast because this was his lover. He believed she was an honorable woman and that she wouldn't do something like this. So he said, prove it. So here's what they did. They went to the casino, their little private apartment, and Casanova contrived that this so-called nun would meet them there. While they kept her there in the casino under some pretext, Casanova went to the island of Murano to meet with Marina. When he got to the convent, he found Marina was really there. And so he just felt so relieved. He said she never looked so beautiful to him in his whole life because he knew that she was honorable and she wasn't sleeping around with everybody who came by. So then Casanova and Righelini came back to the casino and confronted this woman who said she was this nun. And they knew that the game was up. They came in, they grabbed her, they took off of her 2 pistols and an 8-inch stiletto, and you know, said, hey, we know what's really going on. She said, okay, I'll admit it. Yeah, you're right. And then they said, you have to tell us who put you up to this. So she said, well, it was Count Casanova. Well, Casanova and Righelini knew this guy, and they knew that he was kind of a scoundrel and was double dealing. So next they went to him and said, hey, this is not cool. You shouldn't be spreading these kinds of lies. So at one point, Righelini looked at the Count's hand and said, oh, that's a beautiful diamond ring. Let me see that. And he took it off and he said, I'm going to keep this. And if you say anything about it, then I'm going to tell that you're acting as a pimp. So Casanova was very happy to keep his mouth shut after that and not let the real truth come out. Now, the reason that I'm here is because this prostitute who was pretending to be the nun, she lived here. And Casanova comments that he would pass beneath her window, and when he uncovered this whole plot, she said, I know who you are, I've seen you pass under my window many times. The researchers aren't entirely sure exactly where her house was. Casanova writes that she lived at the foot of the bridge at Campo San Rocco. Well, Campo San Rocco is right there. There's no bridge in that campo. Here's Campiello San Rocco, and there's a bridge right there. So she probably lived in this courtyard. That's pretty much what we believe. So there's your newest story for today.